Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today's topic is something most of us dread: bad breath. But don't worry, I've got you covered with the top causes of bad breath that you didn't know about. First up, dehydration. When you're not drinking enough water, your mouth dries out, reducing saliva flow. Saliva is crucial for washing away food particles and bacteria. So keep that water bottle handy. Next, let's talk about high-protein diets. Foods like meat and cheese are rich in protein, but they can also produce sulfur compounds that lead to bad breath. Balance your diet with more fruits and veggies to keep your breath fresh. Ever heard of keto breath? If you're following a low-carb, high-fat diet, your body enters a state of ketosis. This causes the release of ketones, which can make your breath smell funky. Chewing sugar-free gum can help mask the odor. Now here's one you might not expect: acid reflux. When stomach acids flow back into the esophagus, they can cause a sour or foul smell. Managing your diet and portion sizes can help keep acid reflux and bad breath at bay. Lastly, poor dental hygiene. Skipping brushing and flossing allows plaque and bacteria to build up, causing that dreaded morning breath. Make sure you're brushing twice a day and flossing regularly. So, there you have it. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to fresher breath in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Catch you in the next one.